I was just here maybe 2 hours ago. How did I get here again? My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy. How did I get here again? A melodramatic nature's gonna do me in. How did I get here again? Now.
Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I'm here actually in Longleat. I've been here before, been here a few times. We do the Balloon Fiesta here, the Sky Safari. I've done a video on it before, which maybe I'll upload because it was on a different channel, or maybe I'll put it in the member section. But anyway, been here before quite a few times. But today, VIP member. So yeah, VIP member, which basically means that we're going to go on a 4x4 safari with the animals through the safari park. So never done this before. We've seen the animals and all the rest of it, but we get to be with one of the guys who's going to tell us everything about the animals. You can see up behind me here, we've got these zebra cars. That's what we'll be going in. And yeah, hopefully we're going to get up close with some of the animals. So just been round the other part of Longleat already. So I think I'll show you some clips of that first. And then, yeah, we'll go and join our driver, Richard, in the Zebra 4x4 and see how up close and personal we can get with some of these animals. Wow, what can I say? That was pretty amazing. Best experience ever at the safari park. It is pretty good having the guy there. You can see it's all closed behind us now. We've come out. We actually spent slightly longer in there than planned. We were supposed to get 2 hours for our ticket price. We ended up with nearly 3. We did all the sort of the sort of normal animals first, the big game and all that kind of stuff. Then we had a little break in the middle, and then we went into the big cats and that enclosure there. And to be honest, he was expecting everything to be closed or not closed, everything for the animals to be all sleepy in the afternoon and not really sort of, you know, up to anything. But for some reason they were all alert, they were all about. So we got to see some great action up close and personal, which yeah, definitely made the day. Definitely made the day. We just had a cream tea now to finish off with things. So yeah, was it worth it? Yeah, I think so. I mean, normal price here is around about £35. The ticket price that we paid slightly off season is 80. I think they're about 85, £90 normal for a VIP experience. So slightly more than double the price, but yeah, totally worth it. Definitely totally worth it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know in the comments if you did. Have you ever been on one of these experiences? Is there any other places you've been on like a keeper experience or the VIP experience? Let me know down in the comments. But yeah, really enjoyable day. So let me know what you thought of this. It was a little bit different from our other videos. Do you like it? Let me know. If you did, maybe you'd like to subscribe, give it a little thumbs up, share it with your friends and do all those good things. I think for us though, it's time to go home. Had a cup of coffee, had a cream tea. So yeah, that's it for us. And we'll see you again soon on another adventure, I guess. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.